Good morning, YouTube. Today we're back at OTO. So this is the Evo that we did last night on the dyno, and did some pulls, made pretty good power. But we ended up getting oil leaks from like 2 or 3 different places. So yeah, something on the turbo sprung a leak. But yeah, Grayson's gonna come in, get this done. We're gonna get back on the dyno today, get some pulls in. Hopefully, I want to say it was making like 550 or something last night. So it should. I think he was maxing it out. Like everything sounded good until we sprung that leak, and then we had to shut the car off. But yeah, I think Grayson's gonna come in, get that gasket on. I think that's what's leaking. Might be some other stuff, but yeah, we're gonna get that banged out and then get it on the dyno.
No, quick release?
No.
Unfortunately, are you getting on his hands, bro?
Yeah. That camera worked though.
There ain't no bolts on it.
Look at the bottom of it. That looks good.
I'm pretty sure it used to be a multi-layer.
We'll fucking keep that.
It's an E now.
You can hang that from
Looks
the
good.
mirror.
During Junior's Hot Boy tune, this thing got melted. And
Yeah, let's do it off the one that I'm not using.
the turbo dump failed. So we got a new O-ring on it.
Oh, I can't do that. Mine's an Allen.
Now it's ready to party. Dang. Is that a hooked up turbo?
Close.
This thing's ready to go back on the dyno.
Pretty close. I will drink it. I'm not that.
You decide.
I think it is now the PM, and we're getting ready to tune the Evo 10. As you can see behind me, we're taking a Corvette off the dyno right now. We had to do it this way so late in the day because we're tuning rear-wheel drive cars and all-wheel drive cars in one day, and if you know anything about that, you kind of have to change your dyno setup a little bit. We're gonna get this Evo tuned, and hopefully no oil spillage happens, and hopefully it's good to go at 550. So we'll see you in there. Onto the hood dump Evo.
Yeah, that's wastegate, probably another 5 now. No, I like what my phone does.
It'll force it.
Then I don't have to answer hundreds of Facebook messages from super.
We're out here with the Evo 10. It just got done with the dyno. It made like 658, I believe. The only issue is it needs an exhaust manifold because it is producing too much knock, and that is the only way to fix it. It can run just fine at this power level, but the car's built for 1,000. He wants more power out of it, which is totally understandable. You know, he put a bunch of money into it, but he's gonna have to find a manifold that works. But yeah, as for right now, this is gonna be how she sits. I think he's taking it home with her. I hope he does. But this is how she sits.
Ready?
Go off.
Filming? How's my beard look?
Looks glorious.
Does it look good?
I like it.
Nice. All right, so we pulled Austin's Evo off the dyno. It made around 650, 670. The manifold style is not equal length, and it's causing some issues with noise and roughness in cylinders 2 and 3. So he's gonna take it as is and enjoy it for the rest of the season, the next month and a half or so, what he's got left. It's been sitting here for quite a while. And he's going to reach out to the guy that built the manifold and see if he can build an equal length that puts the turbo in the exact same position. That way his new hood exit that we just built him isn't garbage.
Oh, nice.
Woohoo. On to the next car!